Hello everyone, hello dear colleagues, welcome to the channel. How are you today? How is it going? What's up? What do these sentences have in common? They're all questions. Without questions, communication would be impossible. But unfortunately, most students find asking questions really difficult. That is why today I would like to share with you a fun and interactive ESL game that will help your students practice asking questions. And in this video, you will learn how to prepare for the game, how to play it, and how to adapt it for different language levels. For the game, you need to prepare 9 sentences. Choose sentences that are appropriate for your student's level and include grammar and vocabulary you are currently teaching. Write sentences on pieces of paper. 1 piece of paper for 1 sentence. And in every sentence, underline 1 word. It can be a verb, a noun, or an adjective. I never drink tea with hot milk. So only 1 word should be underlined. 9 sentences all in all, and 3 verbs, 3 nouns, 3 adjectives underlined. Write down all the words you underlined on the board and add a few more extra words, like 2 verbs, 2 nouns, and 2 adjectives. As for the pieces of paper, just a moment, it's getting pretty hot in here. As for the pieces of paper, put them on the desk face down. All right, class, today we're going to play the blah 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 game. Are you ready? Let's begin. So here on my desk there are sentences on pieces of paper. In every sentence there is 1 word underlined. Now, one by one, you will come here, pick up a card and read the sentence, but instead of the underlined word, you should say blah blah blah. Like this: yesterday I saw a blah 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 monster. And the teams will ask questions to guess the missing word. By the way, it is somewhere on the board, but you will have only 30 seconds to decide which one to use in your question. So let's begin. And students start playing the game. 1 student from any team can begin. Yesterday I saw a blah 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 monster. And on the board, students can find 4 adjectives: ugly, lovely, huge, and friendly. There are other words as well, but they are of a different part of speech. They are verbs or nouns. And here, a blah blah monster. Only an adjective suits here. So, questions? And students will ask questions. Did you see a huge monster yesterday? No, I didn't, says the student. Did you see an ugly monster yesterday? No, I didn't. Did you see a friendly monster yesterday? Yes, I did. The teams will get a point for every grammatically correct question. But if they guess the missing word, they will get 2 points. To begin with, you can change a range of grammar structures and you can use more advanced vocabulary. For example, as for grammar, passive voice, conditional sentences, different tenses. Another thing, you can change the number of blah blah words in every sentence. For example, yesterday I blah blah blah, a terrible blah blah blah, in my small blah blah blah. It will make the game more difficult. And you can also change time limits. Well, thank you for joining me today in learning about the blah blah game. I hope you and your students will enjoy this activity as much as we do. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. It will help me a lot. And see you again in our next video. Enjoy every moment of your lesson. Bye!